Now this is the duodenum. Here you can see the C-shaped loop is present. This is the duodenum. This is the pancreas, okay, and this is the spleen. So this is the spleen, this is the pancreas, and this is the duodenum. Now duodenum has a 4 part. First part, second part, third part, and the fourth part. So first part continues above with the pylorus of the stomach. So this here you can feel it. This is the pyloric end, okay. From here the first part will continue till the superior duodenal flexor. From the superior duodenal flexor we will get the vertical limb till the inferior duodenal flexor. So this is about the second part. The third part is a horizontal part which is extending from the inferior duodenal flexor to the front of the aorta, that is in front of the L3 vertebra, and from there front of the aorta till the duodenojejunal flexor. Here we can see that this is the fourth part of the duodenum. So it will continuous with the jejunum. Talking about the length of the duodenum, if we will see that the length of the duodenum is nearly approximately about 25 to 27.5 centimeter, in which the first part constitute about the 5 centimeter, the second part is nearly 8 to 10 centimeter, third part is 10 centimeter, and the fourth part is the smallest one, which is the 2.5 centimeter. Okay, this is about the total length of the duodenum. As we know that the duodenum is derived from the Greek word which is known as decadactylus. That means that the length of the duodenum is nearly about the breadth of the 12 finger. Okay, so the length will corresponds to the breadth of the 12 finger. This is about the duodenum. The duodenum extends in front of the L1 vertebra, that is from the pylorus of the stomach. It will lie in the paravertebral gutter. From there it will lie in front of the L3 vertebra, in front of the aorta, and till the duodenojejunal flexor. Okay, now the duodenum is divided into 4 parts. First part of duodenum, second part of duodenum, third part of duodenum, and the fourth part of the duodenum. First part of duodenum will continuous from the pylorus of the stomach to the superior. First part of duodenum is continuous from the pylorus of the stomach to the superior duodenal flexor. From the superior duodenal flexor, it is continuous below to the inferior duodenal flexor. From the inferior duodenal flexor, the third part is continuing till the front of the aorta, and from the front of the aorta, the fourth part is continuous till the duodenojejunal flexor. Now I have already talked about the dimensions. The first part is nearly about 5 centimeter, the second part is about 8 to 10 centimeter, third part is about 10 centimeter, and the fourth part is the smallest one, which is about 2.5 centimeter. So this is about the parts of duodenum. Now talking about the interior of the second part of the duodenum. In the second part of the duodenum, we will see that there is a circular muscle fold will be there, and these circular folds is known as a plica circularis. Okay. Now we will see that there is a presence of a major duodenal papilla, and this major duodenal papilla is enclosed or covered by a circular fold which is known as a plica semicircularis, which is also known as a monk's hood because it is forming a hooded type of structure. So this is a major duodenal papilla, and this is the reason where the bile duct and the pancreatic duct is opening. Now above 2 cm above the major duodenal papilla, the ventral to it, we will see that there is one more papilla which is a minor duodenal papilla, and in this the accessory pancreatic duct will open. Now you will see the longitudinal structure is running above the major duodenal papilla and below the major duodenal papilla. This longitudinal fold is known as plica longitudinalis, as it is running above the major duodenal papilla. So this will be the plica longitudinalis superior, and it is running below, then this is known as a plica longitudinalis inferior. This is the interior of the duodenum. Here you can see there are circular muscle folds. These all folds are the circular muscle folds. Okay, this is the major papilla. So this is the major papilla, and the major papilla, in the above of it you can see there is a plica semicircularis, which is known as a monk's hood. So it is forming a hooded like a structure above the major duodenal papilla. Now this major duodenal papilla, this is the papilla where the bile duct and the pancreatic duct is opening. Okay, that is in the second part of the duodenum. Now next is about the minor papilla. The minor papilla is mostly, it is present 2 cm above and to the ventral of it, where the accessory pancreatic ducts are open, but here I am not seeing any minor papilla. Okay, now here you can see that longitudinal line is extending from the major duodenal papilla to the inferior portion, okay, below it. Now this is known as a plica longitudinalis inferioris. So this is plica longitudinalis inferioris, like this only. The plica longitudinalis superior is also present, but here I am not able to see it. Okay, so and this or circular folds are known as a plica circularis. This is about the interior of the duodenum.